If your voice cracks as you sing higher, it has nothing to do with no talent or a bad voice. There are two main reasons, and it's all about coordination. Victoria's vocal tips. And after 36 years of teaching singers, including voice teachers, here are the two most common patterns that I see. As singers approach higher notes, the instinct is to carry the power up. More weight, more effort, more push. But then you hit a low ceiling and the voice has nowhere else to go, and then it breaks. So first of all, let's discuss weight versus stretch. Your voice doesn't go higher by pushing. It goes higher by stretching and thinning, not by shoving more vocal weight. When too much weight is carried higher, the body goes into system overload. The voice can't take it anymore, and then it breaks or cracks as a release. So the crack isn't a failure, it's just a sign that the voice needs to lighten or thin out. Reason number 2 for cracking: not enough breath support. Support isn't about blowing more air or locking. It's about allowing your voice to stretch and thin while you stay anchored in the body. Without breath support, the voice will likely flip. Without breath support, singers compensate by pushing. Now, we don't have time today to get into the mechanics of breath support, so see my playlist on breath support, the basics. Let's get to our exercise. We're going to do a simple ascending descending glide on ah. Now let me tell you what you need to do. We're going to start on an easy, comfortable pitch. And as you ascend, you're going to allow the sound to thin out, allow it to feel lighter while staying connected or anchored to the lower body. And you're going to stretch instead of getting louder or heavier. And if you do this correctly, the voice will shift gradually so you won't flip or crack. Now listen, I'm going to do it right and wrong. Right will be or up here will be This is wrong. Or oops. Let that glide help you. Okay? F3 or F4. Breathe. 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 2 more. Staying anchored. Great. Now, if the voice flips or cracks, that's okay. You're just learning balance. Here's what I recommend. Slow down the glide like this. Maybe we better do a few slow ones. Here we go. Slow glides like your medicine. One more after this. Last one. Great. Now long term, this is why mastering your mixed voice is so important. It teaches you the balance and coordination which prevents the pushing. Now, cracking isn't fixed by just waiting till you get to the hard part of your song or by doing random exercises. It's fixed by targeted, methodical work like we just did, practiced consistently. And that was just an example of the kinds of exercises that I give you in my audio exercise training program, Victoria's Vocal Exercise Program. And if you still haven't gotten it yet, I seriously don't know why. It comes in 4 different voice types. It's for beginners all the way through advanced level singers. I give you a short and a long workout, variable playback speeds like what we just did. I give you targeted exercises for whatever your vocal needs may be. You want to work on vocal colors, textures, you want to learn how to sing in different styles, you need to work on your vowels. I give it all to you. And the best part is it's super affordable, and I do regular group classes with members, and I can help you. So see the link below and sign up right away. So if cracking has been frustrating you, remember that it's not that you're doing everything wrong or there's something wrong with your voice. Most of the time, it just means that your voice hasn't learned how to release instead of push. I have a lot more help for you in my playlists on the mixed voice and on breath support. Let's build it step by step without rushing. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.